Today we're going to start the winter season with a winter skull makeup inspired by the amazing artwork of Natasha Noemi. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see all the looks coming up each and every Thursday. We're going to start off today with putting in some spooky white contacts linked below. I'll clip my hair out of the way and start applying Graftobian Pro paints, first in the color Catalina Blue. Cover your neck in an even layer and blend on your forehead and the contours of your face and jaw. As always, all materials used will be linked below in the description. Begin blending white into the centers of your face and jawline and blend the two together for a smooth transition. Blend white into the center of the neck. Leave a blank area on the cheek area on the left side of your face. Cover your lips. Blend the white under your eyes. Taking black body paint, begin outlining the skull shapes and fill in the cheek area entirely. Define the edge of the jawbone and chin. Create the nose hole for the skull on that left half as well. Seal with a black shadow. Contour the jaw with a black shadow. Use blue shadow to outline the nose hole, leaving a space around the edge. Carry the blue on the top of the jawbone. Contour the cheekbone with a blue and black. Use the blue to start mapping out your teeth. Create the vertical lines between the teeth and the horizontal line along the top edge and along the bottom edge and the center line where the teeth will meet. Bring that to the center of your lips. Carry the blue into the sides and bottom of the nose. Define your nostrils on the right side. Detail with black shadow the center line for the teeth. Take a detail brush and start outlining your teeth with black body paint, sketching the lines upwards. Do the same going down on the bottom teeth. Do the same sketchy style lines on the details of the face. Define the tops of each tooth. Blend purple shadow onto the cheeks, jaw edge, and forehead of the right side. Define the brow ridge with blue and black shadow on the right side and blend down into the temple. Use white body paint to make each tooth. Drag above and below each tooth lightly. Highlight around the skull details of the face as shown. Outline the nose area in white. Highlight the teeth ridges. Blend black eyeshadow onto the majority of the upper lids out into a cat's eye shape. This will be very solid black. Deepen the contours as needed. Blend the black eyeshadow heavily below each eye. Mist with water lightly and layer with more black to help intensify the color. Drag into the blue of the nose. Contour below the right cheek with deeper blue shadow. Powder the neck in the center with white and add some purple sections. Blend the black and blue body paint for the brow color and fill in thinly. Tap black body paint onto the upper lids to darken. Carry below. Line the lips black and blend inward, leaving the white center. Seal the edges with black powder. Use white to highlight the brow ridge. Use the Catalina blue watered down to create a fuzzy snowflake shape for the backgrounds. Detail the snowflake with white. Leave some of the blue exposed around the edges. This one, you're crossing 3 lines at the center for 6 arms and the adding sketchy lines that get smaller at the tip. Think Christmas tree branch. Add a smaller blue background to the right side. While it's drying, add a dramatic lash. Line the waterlines in black. Space out the dash lines on the snowflake, about 4 on each side of each arm. Add white dots for tiny snowflakes. Add a smaller snowflake to the cheek in a different style. For all of the snowflakes you're creating, try to make sure that each one is just a little bit different, and then add some dot flakes around each one. Add a blue wig and you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know you have a massive selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I truly am grateful each and every time you take a moment to watch one of mine. See you next time.